Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have JBL Live Beam 3 wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a full factory reset back to the out-of-the-box factory defaults on these earbuds. You're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting if you're having issues with these earbuds, like if the left earbud or the right earbud is not working because they are not syncing, so you're only getting sound out of one earbud. This reset will also re-sync the earbuds together. Also, if these earbuds are not connecting to Bluetooth or they're not pairing with the app or something like that, a factory reset will fix a lot of these issues. The second reason you might want to do this is just kind of any situation where you want to delete all the settings, delete all the pairing history off of these earbuds so you can set them up basically like they're brand new coming out of the box. So because we're setting them up brand new out of the box, what we want to do is, first thing we want to do is just go ahead and delete them from any phones or anything that they've been paired with in the past. Have those phones, forget them. And then with them out of the case, we can have them in our ears or not, just in our hand. On either the left earbud or the right earbud, doesn't matter. We're just going to come in and do two quick taps, tap, tap, and then a long hold for 5 seconds. So we're going to go like this. With them out of the case open, tap, 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 hold, 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, release. Once we release, we're going to put the earbuds back in the case, close the case, and then we're going to wait a little bit and then open the case like as though we are starting them up from as a brand new set of earbuds. So you might actually need to press and hold the button on the bottom of the case in order to restart them. And then you can just pair them, connect them like a brand new set of earbuds. So if this worked for you, if you could please leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching.